Hi guys, I'm in my garden and there's actually someone there. So I forgot about saying welcome to part 2.
Introduce them to the water. It's beautiful here.
It's beautiful here and there's a lot of guys here and they're fishing in the water and they're getting some fish. We kind of get a lot of fish. And
Louder.
in the one,
The
part
sea.
one, the sea. So we almost got the deer fish.